Hello, my pretties. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm gonna try to come up with some like really beautiful springtime makeup look. So let's get started. Let's go ahead and prime the eyelids. I'm gonna use this new concealer that everybody's raving about. It's the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. And I actually used the Makeup Revolution baking powder in banana, and it's bomb. So I'm gonna use this C12. A little bit light, but I'm just gonna roll with it. I'm just gonna do this. I normally never prime my lips, so this is very new to me. I'm just going to blend it out. I heard this is supposed to be for the canceled Tarte Shape Tape. So I wasn't a big fan of Shape Tape, so hopefully this is better than Shape Tape. I do have Shape Tape somewhere around here, but I didn't like it to begin with, so we're just gonna use this. And that thing was like close to 30 bucks. If it wasn't $30, it was close. And I'm like, ain't nobody got money like that. So I'm glad this one was only $8 at Ulta. And you can use your little coupon that they give you, that $3.50 off. You can use that. We're gonna use the new Soft Glam Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. It's really, really beautiful. So pretty. So I'm gonna use this. It has that annoying, it's pretty to look at the soft, but it just attracts so much dirt, and I hate that. But whatevs, I'm gonna come up with something. I actually used bronze already. The gold one is gorgeous. So let's see if I can come up with something. I'm gonna use Sienna first. I'm gonna use this as a transition color. Alright, so this is how we're looking so far. I'm gonna take Mulberry, which is this one right up here in the corner. I'm gonna take this one right here, and I'm going to pop that in the crease. Just kind of deepen things up and bring the look together. So I'm going to use a smaller brush, something like this. These things are super pigmented. It does have a little bit of kickback, but whatever. We're going to put that right in this area. I'm gonna go into Orange Soda. Looks like this one. I'm gonna use a flat brush, and I'm just going to pack that on the lid. Ooh, that's pretty. Now I'm going to take bronze, just this beautiful gold color right here, and I'm going to pop that right on top. Alright, I went ahead and lined my eyes, and then I put on some lashes that took me like 30 minutes to put on. And now I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit of glitter, because what's a Kenya look without glitter, right? So I'm gonna just take just the slightest bit of glitter and just go over that already glitter shadow that I have on there. Okay, moving on to complexion. I'm gonna use my MAC Strobe Cream. So now, sorry, I have no edge control. I don't have any more. I'm gonna go with my favorite foundation. I love this foundation. It's my second bottle, as you can see. I'm gonna use this today. I've been using a brush to apply my foundation lately. I'm growing up, y'all. So and we're just gonna buff this out. Now we're on to concealer. I'm excited about this concealer. I used it out as an eyelid primer and it worked pretty good, but the real test is underneath my eyes. Now, is bright, y'all. We're gonna see. Hopefully this blends out really well. I'm not gonna put on any on my forehead because it's just too hard to blend up there. So, what shall I use? I'm gonna use a beauty blender that has a little bit of foundation on it. So hopefully we can tone down some of this brightness. Wow, dude, I look like freaking airbrushed. You see this? Excuse my little bump right there. But wow. This is pretty. Now, let's not get too happy. Let's set this before it starts looking all crazy. So I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution banana powder. Do the same thing for the other eye. Okay. And we're just going to press the product into the under eye. Get all the way underneath there so it won't be creasing too much. I'm having a good makeup day today. So now I'm just going to go ahead and dust off with a brush. The handle came off, and dust. Now I know it looks super stark because it is, but I still have to do my contour. I just wanted to set that so the concealer wouldn't crease on me. I've been using this LA Girl Pro Conceal in, what shade is this? I don't know, but it's super dark. I think it's mahogany. And you know what? Some nasty juice water always comes out of here. It's not my favorite. I don't know what it is about this one, but I'm just like not like the biggest fan. It's a lot. It's really I don't know. I think I want something a little bit more cool, I guess. Or I'm used to something a little bit more cool toned, I guess. Ooh, girl. No, not too much. Not too much, girl. And I'm gonna use one of these brushes to hopefully blend it out. Okay. I think that blended pretty nicely. Should I contour my nose? If I do, I ain't gonna do it on camera. I'm scared. Right? I contoured my nose. Can you tell the difference? Do I look crazy? Wow, what a difference that makes. It's so cute though. I'm feeling it. I don't normally contour my nose, but ooh, the difference that has made. So now I'm gonna go in with my favorite Sephora Micro Smooth powder. This one gives me just like a nice, I don't know, something bronzed about me. I don't know, but I can tell. And if your highlight is too bright, you just take this and kind of go over the edges. Like that. Just bam, bam, bam. Wow. Oh, y'all. Feeling myself today. Not with these edges, though. Right, y'all. We're almost done. I'm going to go ahead and finish off this eye look. I'm going to take that sienna. No, actually, I'm going to take mulberry. Gosh. I'm going to take this mulberry color again. Just lightly tap my brush in there. And I'm going to run that right underneath. Right? Just like that. Sorry for those stupid birds outside. Actually, they're not stupid. They're kind of cute. Hi, birdies. And then I'm gonna take sienna like this and just put that right below. All right, Bird. He's giving it all he's got right now. He wants to get all that camera time. Cloud chaser. Do you hear this bird right now, Sharif? He is literally giving it all he's got, Sharif. This bird, he is a clout chaser. He wants to be in my video so bad. Yes. Now I'm going to do some highlighting. I want to look very fresh faced, but you know how I feel about eyeliner. But I'm starting to love it a little bit more again. So I'm going to take my Milani highlighter and I'm going to highlight this little, what you call that? Flappy fold? Inner tear duct thing? Like that. We want to look wide-eyed. Maybe I should put some under my brow edge. I never do this anymore. This used to be the trend. Gotta highlight your brow bone. The tip of the nose, especially since this thing is snatched right now. Like that. Cupid's bow. Like that. And now I'm going to take a big brush with the highlighter. No. I'm scared. I like to highlight my actual, like, well, I guess you are highlighting your cheekbone, but I want it to be mainly like on my cheek. If that makes any sense. I don't know. For my face, I feel like it looks better right there. I will take it up. Ooh. Whoa. Did I do too much on my forehead? Did I? When in doubt, blend it out. Okay. Let's go ahead and get to the lips and then we're all done. Alright, now for lips, I'm gonna go bold. I mean bold. We're gonna go really bold on the lips. I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsup lipstick on my lips. This is in the shade, what is this? Oh My Dolly. So okay, so I'm gonna give you guys another lip option for somebody that's not as bold as that one. I'm gonna take this, I wanna say it's a Rimmel London lipstick. It's like that Kate collection. And it's in the number 17. This is super old, I've had it forever. I line my lips with a brown lip liner. Just gonna pop this in the center. And then we're gonna go over with this pink gloss by Notes. I use this in my Valentine's Day look. And I think I'm serving you guys looks. What do you think? I like it. This look with two different lip options. I mean, really, you could even throw on a red lip if you want. But I don't know. I'm feeling pink for springtime. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Come join the fam. I'd love to have you. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.